Yes, I forgot third question. It's another.
Okay.
It's about,
no problem.
would be allowed to make bags of ground coffee on Shabbos? I think I read Rabbi Vadia allowed this for Sephardim.
I don't think so.
Roast. The ground coffee is roast. I think maybe that's the reason. It's
No. That's because it's roast, because it's cooked. There is no problem crumbling that it was cooked. Okay.
I'm not sure.
I mean, logically, what Rabbi said, it makes sense. It makes sense. Maybe it would be forbidden rabbinically. So technically, just to draw your parallel. So, what was original Melacha that was forbidden? They would make this herbs, right, and grind them in order to make it dye, to dye the curtains in a mishkan. You understand? But these were like raw. So and same Melacha applies to everything, like you have something big and you divide it into small pieces. Even though I think even if it's ready to eat, it still would not be allowed. For example, it says that you cannot chop your salad like on a tiny pieces. So that's I think Melacha of grinding. I mean, and they say you should not like crumble your bread. Okay, when you eat and the crumb fall out, that's a different story. It's unintentional, but intentional, I don't think you're allowed to crumble your bread or cookies. Or even though it's all rabbinic, but I'm not sure about coffee. What he said. It's proper with as with everything. Just get ready before Shabbos.